Hey, hi, hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's your girl Porsh. All my friends call me Porsh, so you can call me Porsh too. You see your girl with the fresh blowout though. Okay, no, but seriously, welcome back, you guys. So today we are doing a quick little get ready with me. I'm going to be testing out all the new products that I got from my Sephora haul. If you haven't seen that Sephora haul, go check it out. It is going to be in the cards somewhere. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, just keep on watching. All right guys, welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. You see me with the straight hair. That's how long it's been. We are on a move. We are on a mission. What mission, you might ask? I have no idea, but I'm really excited because we have a whole bunch of new things to try. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So first things first, we are going to tie our hair up because ain't nobody about to we're tying our hair up. Yeah, so first things first, we are just going to put some chapstick on. So fun fact today, you guys, I'm not here on a Saturday, I'm here on a Friday, and it is popping 10, okay? There's just a lot of people here and I'm not used to it. There's like a lot of noises you can hear and I'm just like, first things first, we are going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip. That has not changed. All of the products are going to be listed down below. I don't have a mirror, so I have my big, well, I do have a mirror. It's just, I have this big old mirror, so, you know, we're just going to use that. And I'm really sorry if you can hear my neighbor because I can't do anything about that. I think whatever type of phone call she's on, it's very important. You guys, this is why I literally only film on Saturdays, because there's hardly anybody here, and if they are here, they're only here for like a couple minutes and then they leave. And then there's like no distractions. Okay, so today we are doing pretty much what we normally always do. Just something really simple, really easy, really natural looking. But the only difference is that we're using a whole bunch of new products. So if you watched my previous video, which was my Sephora haul, then you know that I went to Sephora, got some new things, picked up some new things, and we're excited, it's lit. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm gonna try a lot of the rare beauty stuff. I really wanted to get it when the hype died down because a lot of people are like, so yeah, I'm trying that out now. So the first thing that we're gonna go in with, actually, no, I lied. The first thing that we're gonna go in with is the eyebrow pencil. So this is the Brow Harmony eyebrow pencil, and I got this in the shade Deep Brown. The reason why I picked it up is because it has, it's like this. It's like really, really thick. And if you can see it, I was watching Jackie Anna's review when she did this review on this eyeliner. It's like, oh my God, that's exactly what I need. Like, and it's cheaper than Anastasia. Selena, you might have just did something, sweetie. So yeah, we're gonna try that. Already it feels really like creamy, which I like. So don't mind me, I'll be right back. I gotta get my brows under control. So here are my eyebrows, kind of. They're looking really Anthony Davis-ish. I don't hate them. I don't hate them. I am gonna go in with my clear brow gel just to kind of make it, you know. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, we are going to go in with the foundation. So once again, I'm going in with Rare Beauty's Liquid Touch Foundation, and I am in the shade, if I can get it open, I am in the shade 410, and this is what it looks like. Now I matched this to, let's see, I matched this to my NARS foundation. Ooh, child. And I've seen enough reviews to know that you need to shake it. Yeah, you need to shake it. Like a Polaroid picture, girl. Oh, this is super liquidy. Like, I knew that, but like at the same time, I didn't know that. I like this still foot applicator because it just gives you, you know, you can put the foundation exactly where you want it to go. Yeah, this is a pretty good match so far. So we're just gonna start blending this downwards. You guys, I literally just washed my makeup brushes yesterday, and now I'm using them again. And I'm low-key kind of, hold on, wait a minute, wait a doggone minute. Oh my, this foundation is the truth. It's the truth. It's the truth. I need y'all to know that. Like, it is bomb. Like, I can't, oh my gosh. Now that we are done with that, we are going to, I don't even want to contour, I don't even want to mess this up. Like, I don't want to mess it up. Now I'm just going to go in with my Fenty Matchsticks. And I'm just going to, I wonder how this is gonna go with other creams though, because it's such an oily base. So, and if you're wondering, once again, like I said, these shades, well, everything will be listed down below, but this is Truffle for my contour from Fenty, and then this is Caramel or Caramel or, you know, whatever. So, if you're like me and you like something really lightweight, like really barely there type of makeup, you're gonna like this. If you're more of like a cake face and you're just like, I wanna feel my makeup on my face, and maybe, you know, I feel like this is buildable though, also. So I feel like either way. But once again, you guys probably already know this. You've probably seen like a bajillion videos on this already, but you know, I almost feel like everything else that's like laying on top of this foundation is just like just going on to it like so seamlessly. Or it could be because I just washed my brushes. I'm not even gonna flex with you guys because it's been a long time since I washed my brushes, and don't judge me because I know. So now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty powder in Honey and just set my under eyes. Have you guys seen the fashion show yet? I haven't watched it yet. It literally came out like today, or yeah, or it's coming on tonight. So technically nobody has seen it yet. But by the time you guys see this, it would have been out for a while. So have you guys seen it yet? What do you think? I mean, obviously, it's gonna be legendary, like we all know that Rihanna does, but yeah. So while I let that set on my face for a second, I'm just going to blend out this contour really quick. Blend it down, blend it, okay, so on and so forth. Now I'm just gonna go in with powder, and I'm going to use, I just picked up the Laura Mercier translucent powder. If you guys are wondering what I was using before, I was using the Cover FX powder, and I had that for literally years, and I didn't really see the benefits of it, honestly. I didn't like it. So, and then again, it might just be old. So Yeah, I'm just starting with this now. And this is in translucent medium deep. I don't feel cakey, which is amazing because by this time, once I start putting on my translucent powder and my under eye setting powder, I start to feel and look kind of cakey. And I always go in with my primer water to kind of just rehydrate everything. And like so far, y'all, it's looking real good. You know what I just thought about? I don't have my setting spray. You guys, I don't have my hangover setting spray. Okay, so moving on. I'm gonna test out this eyeliner. This is the Rare Beauty Perfect Stroke Beauty eyeliner, or matte liquid liner. I don't know where I said beauty, but Perfect Strokes liquid matte eyeliner. And it kind of looks like a pencil. How cute is that? That's cute. All right, so cool beans. Oh wow, look at that. That's good. That's real good. All right, so we're gonna try. Actually, before we do this, I'm getting ahead of myself, you guys. So ahead of myself. Go in with my Fenty bronzer, and I'm just going to, because there's like literally nothing on my eyelids right now, so I'm just gonna put some bronzer all over my eyes. So now we're gonna go in with the Rare Beauty eyeliner. That one was a little thick. She's a little thick. All right, well, whatever. So I like this. This is nice. This is real nice. My eyeliner applying skills, not so nice. But this is nice. Now we're going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the waterproof version because I'm just a fan of waterproof mascara. And oh my god, this feels so luxurious. And I've never used the Better Than Sex one. So let's see. Let's test it out. Okay, this eye is just a mess, but this is where my bang is, so don't mind. We don't know her. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer because why not? And once again, Fenty and Coco Naki as used. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with blush, and this is the Spice palette from Sephora. I use this all the time, guys, so you literally know like what it is. This brush is definitely still wet. That's disgusting. Now I would have gotten her blush, but I'm not that adventurous and I'm not that much of a blush girl, even though I look like a complete clown right now. Yeah, I'm not a blush girl. Not a blush girl. So now we're gonna go in with the lips. This is e.l.f.'s matte liquid lipstick in the shade Praline. I love this shade. Okay, and my camera is dying, so we will be right back. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, so I am obsessed with this Rare Beauty foundation. Like, it's bomb. It is bomb. So it's definitely worth the hype. I am thoroughly impressed with all of the products from Rare Beauty, so I hope you guys check it out. And with that being said, that is the end of this video, so I hope you guys like this video. If you want me to do more get ready with me, let your girl know and I will do those for you. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. So yeah, until next time, bye you guys.